Make sure the machine is turned on and connected to the computer via a data cable. Enter the website with Chrome or Edge browser. Click on the Connect port in the upper left corner. Select the port and click Connect. Select Firmware Installer after connecting. Click Select Bin Files, first select LitLifts, then select Firmware. Click Start Installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Now that it is installed, disconnect and restart the machine. Connect again. Select File Manager. According to the actual size of the machine, set the corresponding configuration file as the default. Disconnect again and restart the machine. Enter serial test. Write the license to the machine with the code I = license code. If you don't know the license, please email support@UUNATEK.com with your order number.